Hey guys, Varun Marathi here, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Samsung Gear Sports. This watch was launched alongside the Samsung S3 Frontier watch. Now as you can see, we'll look around the box. This is a very nice and premium packaging from Samsung. It is black box with the photo of this watch in front. On the right side we can see the specifications. It is written that it is water resistant up to 50 meters. It is an advanced fitness tracking. It has advanced fitness tracking. It is compatible with any 20 millimeter strap, and it also suggests that it is having smart notification and apps. On the back, as you can see over here, you have written your watch, your way, your health, and the branding on the bottom. Here we can see that it is written you should use the watch with any smartphone which is running Android 4.4 and above and having 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. So let's unbox this. There are two straps on the box. Alright, so let's remove the box now. So when you remove this front cover, here you can see there is a small box, and when you open it, this is the watch on the left in all its glory. So as you can see, this is the black Samsung Gear Sports. It also comes in blue color. The straps is of 20 millimeter, and as you can see, this is the surface. This watch is 42 millimeter watch. This is the bezel which actually rotates. On the right you can see we have two buttons over here which are having nice texture on it. Even the bezel is having a nice texture on it, so that we can grip it. When you are rotating the bezel, we are getting a very nice clicky feeling. The straps feel sturdier. They are black in color, and even they have some stripes on them. On the back you can see we have the heart rate monitor and sensor over here. It is saying that it is water resistant up to 50 meters. uh, Keeping the watch on the side, we'll see what else we get in the box. So here we get some paperwork from Samsung. We'll keep this on the side, and in the bottom I think this is extra pair of straps. Yes, it is an extra pair of straps which is given from Samsung. So it is available in the box. It is good that Samsung has given it. Now if we compare it to the current strap which is there, this is smaller in length than the previous strap which is already installed. So if in case this watch is to be used by someone who is having small hands, this we can replace it easily. Another thing which is present in the box is the we get the adapter, the standard adapter, micro USB adapter. And as you can see over here, it is saying 5 volt 0.7 amps, and this is a micro USB cable. So essentially you can charge it with any micro USB cable. If you have, keeping this on the side, and this is the charging pedal which we get. And there's nothing else in the box right now, so I'll just keep the box on the side. So this is the charging pedal. As you can see, it is having a nice indentation on it, and we just have to keep our watch over here. It is magnetic, so when you keep it you can actually feel the force over here, and it will charge directly. On the back, as you can see, we are having the micro USB connector over here and the Samsung branding, and we also get a small LED to know when the watch is charged and when it is charging. So it's a nice touch by Samsung. This watch charges wirelessly only, and it is Qi wireless enabled, so we get fast charging for the wire. So now what I'll do is I'll see if the watch has any sort of charge in it. So we'll try to turn it on. Okay, I don't think that the watch has any sort of a charge in it. Okay, so what we'll try to do now is we'll try to turn this watch on. So as you can see over here, we are getting the Samsung Gear Sports branding on the screen. So we have this 1.3 inch circular screen which is super AMOLED in nature, and that is why it is going to have this amazing blacks. As you can see, only the text is visible and everything appears deep black, which is the major feature of the AMOLED displays of Samsung. And the size is reasonable, I would say. It is saying welcome. uh, First thing we need to do is we need to select the language, so I'll select the English. Now what it is telling me is that I should download the Gear app on your phone from the Galaxy App Store and pair the watch. So if you have any Android phone, you can just download the Gear app. It is also available on the iOS, so it does not make a difference which device you have. So what I'll do is I'll just download the application and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so now I have paired the watch, and as you can see it is showing me a tutorial. Let's go. So I'll have to turn the bezel on the right. So what I am seeing over here is the number of calories burned over here. Now it is telling me to turn the other way around, so we'll get to the home screen again. Now when you turn again to the left, we have the notifications over here, and this is the back key to go back to the home, and this is the home key. So wherever you are, in whichever application you are, when you press this, we actually get to the home as well as we get to the menu. Now to actually swipe through all this application, we have to turn the bezel in whichever direction you want. We have some applications over here, and it is telling me to swipe down from the top. So this is where you get all your basic toggles in order to uh, change a few settings on your phone. And the last thing which is telling me is to cover the screen from your palm to turn it off. Okay, it didn't happen. Alright, that's it. So this was the initial setup of the watch. Now the watch is connected to my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is the initial clock face, which is there. It is default. Now when you turn the bezel on the right, as you can see, it is showing me how much calorie I have burned. Again, if I turn, it will tell me the number of steps I've taken. So since this watch is moreover focused on someone who is a fitness enthusiast and who is going to use this watch while he's doing all the activities, I think all these features are going to help that person. There are different kinds of modes which are there in the watch. Okay, so I am getting a call right now. I'm going to decline it. So as you can see, you also got to see how we get to receive and decline a call. Now when you turn again over here, we see there are 4 different modes for running, walking, cycling and swimming. We can change this by going into the settings, which I'll do in the in-depth review of the watch. When you turn again, we get another widget over here, and we also get a music widget to control the music from the default music application. And once again when you go, we get to see the calendar and also the reminders which I have set, and we can add any kind of widget on it. Now when I click this home button, we get to go directly on the default watch face over here. Once again, if I click it, we get to see the menu. Now what I'll do is I'll swipe down, and I'll turn down the brightness so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, so this is the application, and when I turn the bezel all the way to this toggle over here, one more turn will take me to next app. We are having S voice, weather, calendar, alarm, world clock, gallery, email, news briefing, and okay, there's another one menu page which shows find my phone, LT barometer and the PPT controller. So when I click on the home button again, I'm getting to this default lock screen, default watch face, sorry. Now when I long press on the screen, as you can see, I am having multiple watch faces over here. Now these are default which are installed on the phone, so whichever you want you can actually set. There are many which are available, and you can actually go in Galaxy apps and we can download more applications from the Galaxy app. Now, as you know, this watch runs on the Samsung's Tizen OS, which is their own software. It does not run on Android Wear. So, considering that, I think this software has come a long way now. It is having multiple app support, and many watch faces are available for download on free. And as you can see, the display is the main focus again on this watch. It looks fantastic, being super AMOLED. This display is having amazing saturation of colors, and the blacks also are very deep. You can see everything which is written over here very clearly, and all the watch faces certainly do justice to the display which is there. So all in all, this seems to be a very good watch. I'll definitely use this watch as my primary watch for the next week or so, and I'll come up with a full review. Samsung claims that it will give you around 2 days of full charge, full backup on one charge. So I'll have to test that as well. It has a few many features under it, so I'll have to dive deep in all the settings and everything to show you everything. So what I'll do is I'll use this watch for a couple of weeks or so, and then I'll come up with a review for you guys, and I'll tell you in that if this watch is worth buying or not. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and share this video. Thank you and have a nice day.